Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Grammarly for compliant affiliate disclosures and CTAs, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Grammarly for compliant affiliate disclosures and CTAs, start by signing into your Grammarly account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu by clicking on your profile icon located at the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, find the personal dictionary option. Here, you can add specific terms related to affiliate marketing to ensure they are recognized in your writing. Next, check the style options within the settings. Adjust the style preferences to focus on clarity and conciseness, which are essential for effective CTAs. Now, select the tone section and choose a tone that aligns with your brand while remaining compliant. Consider integrating the formal tone for affiliate disclosures to maintain professionalism and credibility. For each piece of content, make sure to clearly state your affiliate relationship in the opening paragraphs. Grammarly provides suggestions for clarity and engagement. Use these suggestions to refine your affiliate disclosures. When writing CTAs, ensure they are direct and actionable to drive reader engagement. Create templates for your affiliate disclosures and CTAs to streamline your writing process. Regularly review and update these templates to reflect any changes in affiliate programs or compliance regulations. Finally, before publishing any material, run your content through Grammarly's proofreading tool. This will help catch any compliance slips or tone inconsistencies before reaching your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.